Let's create this cat eye embossed look. For the main color, I will be using Lecenté gel polish in color Chestnut. Now take Lecenté magnetic powder and mix it together with the color Beach Hut. This gel polish color is translucent and won't hide any of the magnetic powder effect. Using a liner brush, draw the lines that you like and then use the Lecenté magnet to get the magnetic effect. Make sure to cure each line separately and only then draw the next one. With the same liner brush and black detail paint, I added a little bit of framing to my lines. For the next step, you'll need top coat and clear hard builder gel. Apply top coat as normal and fully cure it for 60 seconds. Now using clear hard gel, draw the lines on top of the cat eye and fully cure it for 2 minutes. For the final step, use Lecenté finishing wipe to get rid of the hard gel sticky residue. And here you have it, beautiful cat eye 3D embossed look, perfect for the autumn using Chestnut gel polish color.